Hey guys, so people are always asking me about no build options where, you don't really have to build big cabinets or anything like I normally do in my van. So I normally don't do a lot of no builds, but today I got something in the mail that I do want to try to do a no build bed so that maybe I could show you guys how to really easily get outdoors and go camping. No build, limited hassle in a very small space. Okay, so what I have here is this heytrip camping cot, and it's a XL, so it's a little bit longer than a normal cot, which is good. But let's open up and take a look, and don't ruin this box because I got something in mind for the box itself in the future. Let's open it up. Okay, got some aluminum hardware, which is nice because it makes it lightweight. A bag. All right. So when the cot is up, this is like a storage thing for storage pouch. Okay, more hardware. All right, and that's the cot material itself. Seems pretty nice. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so what's nice is that the instructions are right here in the bag, so you don't lose it. It's just taped onto the bag. But let's see what we do. All right, we put in the poles and then the support. So let's give it a shot. That's really convenient the way it breaks down like that. All right, get that over. Okay, we'll do the same thing to the other side. All right, got both sides in. Let's put on the legs. Oh, same thing. That's really convenient. Okay, so these legs, they go on, I think it says to put it on 90 degrees first, like this. Oops. And then you just turn it, okay? Oops, I have it backwards. I have to put it on this side. Take that hook, put it in, turn it. That's pretty easy. And this side, so for this side, it's a pretty cool mechanism. You push this, and it releases that. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this, hook it in, and that way you pull it taut. That's pretty cool. So let's do the same thing to all of them. I think that locking mechanism is really cool. Let's give it a shot. Get everything flattened down. That's actually not too bad at all. It's actually quite soft. So let's put on these bags. You want a pouch, and it's got these little tabs for you to put them in, looks like. Okay. All right, now remember what I said about not throwing away this box. So I have this box, and I'm going to trim it down. And this will serve as my quick no-build drawer. Okay, so in addition to this box, the box it came in was this guy. Came in this guy right here like that. We're going to use this box also. And I'm going to cut this box in half. All right, so now we have 3 drawers. Okay, because these legs are straight and not the angled legs, like some cots, the legs are angled, so you can't really put the drawers in so well. But now, so I'm just going to use these drawers, these boxes, as my drawers for storage. I get things in and out, pull it out, and that is a really quick, easy way to do some no-build camping. And of course, if you want to make it a little bit extra comfortable, you could just throw an inflatable on top of it, and we're going to dress it up. All right, let's climb in. There, you got yourself a really easy no-build bed. All right, everything zips up in this bag. Pretty small, pretty light.